Hello and welcome to BobTheTraderGPT.com. My name is Bob. I'm the founder of BobTheTraderGPT.com, and some of you folks are new here tonight. For those of you that are veterans, you can kind of go grab a cup of coffee while I go through some of the basics here. So we're looking right now at the 5-minute gold chart, and we are not in trade territory right now. Um, Gold in this 5-minute chart has dipped down below the 50 red line moving average, so we're not trading. It looks like it's now has just come into the London session, starting to have a bit of life to it, but still not in optimal trading territory. And it makes sense. I'm just going to take it out of the 5-minute into the 15-minute. Take a little time there to refresh. Okay, so now we're in the 15-minute. You can see even there, it's getting a little weak. It's not really what we like to see in trading, but there has been a whole bunch of trades here. We'll go back to the 5-minute and start zooming in a little more to show you what I mean. You can see down here, there was a couple of really good trades we had coming through. We made 79,000 on. That was back in here. These green swarms that you see here are Bob sweet spot swarms. Those are put on there by ChatGPT when I ask it to build me an indicator. So it put these in here. And when you see those, it's time. It's time to trade. So we did that back here, but now you're looking at this and we don't see those arrows so much. These are all sweet spot swarm arrows pointing up. So we're not really in the trade zone right now, but we sure were. So we had a whole bunch of trades back in here. And this is the kind of thing that you can do with ChatGPT. You can get it to generate some really cool novel that nobody else has. Else has these kind of indicators. Um, some of you have been asking for, I can put um, into our local group area some of these tools. You can see here now, we're in London right there. You'll see London. We just came through Tokyo. Some of this good trades were back in here in the London and somewhere in the Sydney. Um, there's also a tool here that I use to be able to, um, when I drag it across my screen, it gives me my local time up there. So that's really helpful to be able to look back and see what times were good trades. So that's it for the 5-minute in gold. Um, and we trade gold because it's part of our dashboard. We trade gold, the US 500, which is the stock market index for the S&P 500. I trade the US dollar, Japanese yen, and the euro USD. Those four fit nicely together because they're all part of the gold family. When you've got, for example, euro yen and euro US dollar, when euro US dollar is going up, gold is frequently going up as well because euro US dollar is trading opposite the US dollar. So when euro US dollar is moving up, US dollar is moving down and gold is moving up. But don't worry about this. Lots of courses to cover that all. We'll be covering it in other sessions. So I think we're going to wrap it up here for tonight. If there's any questions, just put them in your chat session there. Yes, Joe, indeed. I did put this on the 5 minute and I shrunk scope zoned in so I could see the sweet spot swarms, and there were some good trades. Sorry if you weren't in some of those live trading sessions, but don't worry, there'll be lots more coming. Um, Sally, you're relatively new, so just check the courses that are in the group sessions. And if you need time, I'll contact you and spend some time with you. So that's it, everybody. Thank you very much and good trading. Signing off. Bob from bobthetradergpt.com.